Experience 10 days of Grand Europe trip for easy EMI of Rs 25,000 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Whispering of darkness and ignorance, and welcoming light and knowledge. This assumes significance today.
Experience 10 days of Grand Europe trip for easy EMI of Rs 25,000.
and to meet the growing demands of the people. Today is an historic occasion for the districts of Madurai and Madurai due to infrastructure expansion by laying foundation stone for the additional court buildings in the district court campus at Madurai with the golden hands of Honorable Chief Justice of India. Inauguration of District and Sessions Court at Madurai by Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and inauguration of Chief Judicial Magistrate Court at Madurai by Honorable Minister of Law and Justice, Government of India. Let us all praise the Mother Tamil by singing Tamil Taiwan.
Dispelling of darkness and ignorance and welcoming light and knowledge. This assumes significance today, since we are gathered here to witness the inauguration of various courts, which promotes access to justice by dispelling darkness and suffering in the lives of litigants and dawn upon them a ray of hope and belonging. May I now invite the dignitaries on the dais.
பாருங்க ஆடியோ ஓகேவா? உள்ள இருக்க டூல் இருக்கா? கேமரா மைக் உள்ள இருக்க டூல் இருக்கா? கேமரா மைக் உள்ள இருக்க டூல் இருக்கா? கேமரா மைக் ஒன்று ஆஃப் பண்ணுங்க.
Thank you, sir.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
His Lordship, the acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, has requested
S.P. Raja, the Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, to deliver the welcome address.
அன்னை தமிழுக்கு வணக்கம். தமிழ் வளர்த்த மதுரைக்கு என் முதல் வணக்கம். It is a great honor and privilege to wish vanakkam and a very good morning to all of you. More court halls, which will take care of your future needs for a century. I request somebody to come and take care of this echoing system. Somebody has to come. Today we have assembled to lay the foundation stone to rise 6-story buildings, basement, stilt, and six more floors we are going to have it. The government has the British history says that the Magna Carta is the foundation for the rule of law. Results of these negotiations were written down in the document that is called Magna Carta, and this Magna Carta became the English law in 13th century, that is in 1215. And Magna Carta lived on for 800 years, it is claimed. They also claim that they discovered the rule of law, but if you come to Madurai, this claim is not correct. Going back to Sangam age in Madurai, Sangam means assembly, that was formed in the 1st century to nurture, cultivate and develop Tamil language. Silappadigaram, one of the 5 Tamil epics, written in the 2nd century by Ilongo Adigal, 2000 years ago, speaks that law is above all. and the king and queen are also bound by the law. While dispensing with justice, Silappatikaram speaks of the cardinal principles of law that no one. Honorable Chief Justice of India has made immense contribution to the growth of law. He has been forerunner in digitizing the justice delivery system with the goal to achieve a paperless registry and to support access to the apex code from any part of the country through video conferencing. Honorable Chief Justice of India has also made possible the e-court in all the courts. All information relating to the court will be available on internet. Honorable Chief Justice of India has made huge transformation in all courts by bringing the justice delivery system to doorstep, because the courts are all digitized from judicial magistrate courts to Supreme Court. Online filing has been introduced in all the courts. Virtual hearings have been popularized in all the courts. There is yet another interesting aspect that SWAS, the Supreme Court Vidik Anuvad software, has been used to translate the judgments of the courts. Madras number one in the country in translating the English judgment into Tamil language. With his contribution, I wholeheartedly welcome the Honorable Chief Justice of India. The Honorable Chief Minister, it is our great Honorable Chief Minister. Honorable Chief Minister has been instrumental in taking steps to aid the administration justice. His government has sanctioned 230 crores for the Madurai project to have 30 additional courts in this place. Amidst your tight schedule, you have come to grace this occasion. We warmly welcome you, sir. It's a great honor and privilege to welcome the Honorable Union Law Minister. The Honorable Law Minister has always been a pillar of support to the administration of justice, knowing the difficulties suffered by the underprivileged litigants who cannot afford money to travel physically to the courts, has in unison with the Honorable Chief Justice of India taken sincere efforts in achieving the goal of making every court and tribunal in India virtually accessible. It is due to the successful implementation of the phase 2 of the e-courts program, the courts across India are able to deliver justice even during the tough COVID-19 pandemic. The credit as I quote, it is indeed my great pleasure to welcome to come and take part in this foundation stone laying ceremony. Justice V. Ramasubramaniam doesn't. He has every branch of law. I warmly welcome the Honorable Judge. Equally, it is my great Mr. Justice. Respectable Mr. S. Raghupati, Government of Tamil Nadu. Is present. I heartily welcome Dr. Palanivel Tyagarajan, Management, Pensions and Pensionary Benefits and Statistics, Government of Tamil Nadu. His tight schedule has taken part in this function. Your father was a regular practitioner of this court. Minimum 5-6 lawyers will be always accompanying your father. We are happy to see you in your father's place today, and we welcome you, sir. I warmly welcome Mr. P. Murthy, the Honorable and Stamp Law, Government of Tamil Nadu, who is also the son of the soil, who has come here to Women's Advocate Association and other bar association, members of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. More importantly, I warmly welcome the presidents, secretaries and office bearers and all members of various associations in Madurai, bar associations in Madurai. I also welcome the learned members of the Madurai Bar Association, learned members practicing in the Madurai District Court, Madurai Bench of Madras High Court, and judges from various districts who have come here to grace this important occasion. I also welcome the district collector, commissioners, and all the officials of the district administration, police officials, press and media to this function. I thank each and every one of you who have gathered here to grace this occasion. I kindly request you to pardon me if I omit to welcome any one of you. Thank you. Vanakkam.
Thank you, Lordship, for extending a very warm and cordial welcome to the August gathering.
It's now time for honoring the dignitaries. I humbly request Honorable Thiru Justice T. Raja, Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court, to honor our esteemed Chief Guest of the Day, Honorable Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Chief Justice of India. Thank you, Lordship.
I humbly request Honorable Thiru Justice S. Vaidyanathan, Judge, High Court of Madras, to honor Thiru M. K. Stalin, Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu.
Thank you, Lordship. Thank you, Lordship.
Thank you, my Lord.
I humbly request Honorable Thiru Justice R. Mahadevan, Judge, High Court of Madras, and Portfolio Judge for Madurai District, to honor Thiru Kiran Rijiju, Honorable Minister of Law and Justice, Government of India. Thank you, Lordship.
I humbly request Honorable Tirumati Justice V. M. Velumani, Judge, High Court of Madras, to honor Honorable Thiru Justice V. Sarma Subramanian, Judge, Supreme Court of India. Thank you, Lordship.
I humbly request Honorable Thiru Justice D. Krishna Kumar, Judge, High Court of Madras, to honor Honorable Thiru Justice M. M. Sundaresh, Judge, Supreme Court of India. Thank you, Lordship.
I humbly request Honorable Thiru Justice S. S. Sundar, Judge, High Court of Madras, to honor Honorable Thiru Justice Sri Raja, Acting Chief Justice, Madras High Court. Thank you, Lordship.
I request Thiru R. Shanmugasundaram, Advocate General of Tamil Nadu, to honor Thiru S. Raghupati, Honorable Minister for Law, Courts, Prisons and Prevention of Corruption, Government of Tamil Nadu. Thank you, sir.
I request Thiru Veera Kadirvan, Additional Advocate General, to honor Thiru P. Murthy, Honorable Minister of Commercial Taxes, Registration and Stamp Law, Government of Tamil Nadu.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I request Thiru R. Bhaskaran, Additional Advocate General, to honor Dr. Palanivel Tyagarajan, Honorable Minister of Finance, Planning, Human Resource Management, Pensions and Pensionary Benefits and Statistics, Government of Tamil Nadu. Thank you, sir.
I request Thiru P. Dhanabal, Registrar General, Madras High Court, to honor Honorable Thiru Justice R. Mahadevan, Judge, High Court of Madras and Portfolio Judge of Madurai District. Thank you, sir.
I request Thiru N. Venkatavaradhan, Additional Registrar General, Madurai Bench of Madras High Court, to honor Thiru R. Shanmugasundaram, Advocate General of Tamil Nadu. Thank you, sir.
I request Thiru P. Muthukumar, State Government Leader, Madras High Court, to honor Honorable Dr. Justice D. Y. Chandrachud, Chief Justice of India, on behalf of the state law officers. Thank you, sir.
I request Thiru P. Tilakumar, Government Pleader, Madurai Bench of Madras High Court, to honor Thiru M. K. Stalin, Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, on behalf of the state law officers. Thank you, sir.
Honoring of dignitaries by Madurai District Bar Associations, MBA Madurai Bench and Madurai Advocates High Court Association. I request Thiru A. Nedujalian, M. Chandrasekharan, S. Ashok Kumar, President, Vice President and EC member of the Madurai Bar Association, to honor Honorable Dr. Justice D. Y. Chandrachud, Chief Justice of India. Thank you, sirs.
I request Thiru S. Mohan Kumar, Thiru S. Balamurugan, Tirumati C. Lata Shanti, Secretary, Assistant Secretaries of the Madurai Bar Association, to honor Thiru M. K. Stalin, Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Thank you, sirs. Thank you, madam.
I request Thiru A. Sabha Balamurugan, P. Satish Armugam, R. Muthukumaran, EC members of the Madurai Bar Association, to honor Thiru Kiran Rijiju, Honorable Minister of Law and Justice, Government of India. Thank you, sirs.
I request Thiru R. Sauri Raman, Thiru K. Vijay Ganapati, Tirumati Tilaka Balasubramanian, EC members of the Madurai Bar Association to honor Honorable Thiru Justice V. Ramasubramanian, Judge, Supreme Court of India. Thank you, sirs. Thank you, madam.
I request Selvi S. Lata, Selvi S. Sumati, Selvi K. Paulmadi, President, Librarian and EC member of the Madurai District Court Women Lawyers Association to honor Honorable Thiru Justice M.M. Sundaresh, Judge, Supreme Court of India. Thank you, madam.
I request Thiru P. Ganesan, Thiru S. Selvam, Thiru R. Ramanathan, Treasurer, EC members of the Madurai Bar Association to honor Honorable Thiru Justice T. Raja, Acting Chief Justice of Madras High Court. Thank you, sirs.
I request Tirumati S. Rajalakshmi, P. Jacinta Margaret Mary, S. Kayalvili, Vice President, Assistant Secretary, Treasurer of the Madurai District Court Women Lawyers Association to honor Thiru S. Raghupati, Honorable Minister for Law, Courts, Prisons and Prevention of Corruption, Government of Tamil Nadu. Thank you, madam.
I request Thiru S. Sukumaran, Thiru S. Muthukannan, Thiru S. Manoj Kumar, EC members of the Madurai Bar Association to honor Thiru P. Murthy, Honorable Minister of Commercial Taxes, Registration and Stamp Law, Government of Tamil Nadu. Thank you, sirs.
I request Thiru P. S. Nagarajan, Thiru C. Kasi, Thiru S. Sundaramurthy, EC members of the Madurai Bar Association to honor Dr. Palnivet Tyagarajan, Honorable Minister of Finance, Planning, Human Resources Management, Pensions and Pensionary Benefits and Statistics, Government of Tamil Nadu. Thank you, sirs.
I request Thiru N. Damodaran, Thiru H. Shahulamid, Thiru B. Chandru, EC members of the Madurai Bar Association to honor Honorable Thiru Justice R. Mahadevan, Judge, High Court of Madras and Portfolio Judge of Madurai District. Thank you, sirs.
I request Thiru J. Rengarajan, P. Ishwaran, Nandish, Vice President and EC members of the Madurai Bar Association to honor Thiru R. Shanmuga Sundaram, Advocate General of Tamil Nadu. Thank you, sirs.
Honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to now present a short video clip showcasing the new courts and buildings that are about to be inaugurated today. I invite your kind attention to the screens placed in the hall to feel the moment. The clipping has indeed enlightened and informed us about the proposed magnificent additional court buildings in the Madurai District Court campus, District and Sessions Court and Chief Judicial Magistrate Court at Mayiladuthurai.
It is time to lay foundation stone for the proposed additional court buildings in the District Court campus at Madurai and to inaugurate the District and Sessions Court and the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court at Mayiladuthurai.
May I humbly request Honorable Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Chief Justice of India, to unveil the inscription stone of the foundation stone laying for the proposed additional court buildings in the District Court campus at Madurai. Thank you, Lordship.
May I humbly request Thiru M.K. Stalin, Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, to inaugurate the District and Sessions Court at Mayiladuthurai through video conferencing. Thank you, sir.
May I humbly request Thiru Kiran Rijiju, Honorable Minister of Law and Justice, Government of India, to inaugurate the Court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate at Mayiladuthurai. Thank you, sir.
It's time to offer felicitation. May I request Thiru R. Shanmugasundaram, Advocate General of Tamil Nadu, to offer his felicitation.
Honorable Chief Justice of India, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, through M.K. Stalin, Honorable Union Law Minister, through Kiran Rijiju, Honorable Justices Thiruvalargal V. Ramasubramaniam and M.M. Sundaresh, Judges, Supreme Court of India, Honorable Acting Chief Justice of Madras, through T. Raja, Honorable Judges of the Madras High Court, Honorable Minister for Law of Government of Tamil Nadu, through S. Raghupati, Honorable Minister for Finance of Government of Tamil Nadu, Dr. Palnivel Tyagarajan, Honorable Minister for Commercial Taxes, Government of Tamil Nadu, through P. Murthy, the Chief Secretary of Government of India, the Government of Tamil Nadu, through Irai Anbu, members of legal fraternity, bureaucrats, members of the subordinate judiciary and other dignitaries of the and on the dais and off the dais, representatives of the electronic and print media, ladies and gentlemen. My vanakkam to one and all here and a warm welcome to you all. At this August gathering, we saw the Honorable Chief Justice of India laying foundation stone for the additional court buildings in the district court complex at Madurai. Our beloved Chief Minister, through M.K. Stalin, inaugurated the District and Sessions Court at Mayiladurai, and the Honorable Union Law Minister inaugurated the the Court of Chief Justice, the Chief Judicial Magistrate at Mayiladurai. I take immense pleasure in welcoming you all here. It's not only as the leader of the bar. I am more pleased to say that I hail from this very city. I had education here. My father was a doyen of this Madurai bar. He served as the district public prosecutor of the combined Madurai district between 1969 to 78 and later as special public prosecutor for the CBI. It is indeed a privilege to deliver this felicitation. I would like to start by thanking our Honorable Chief Minister for his commitment towards improvement of the judicial infrastructure, notably the subordinate judiciary, which plays an essential role in ensuring that everyone has access to justice. Since many judicial officers are here, I would say it is important to remember that the common citizen's belief is protected only when such access results in fair, affordable and prompt justice. But justice alone without social change would be an empty formality. In our state, the seeds of social reforms were sown a century earlier, which has allowed Tamil Nadu to serve as a beacon for the entire country in our pursuit of social justice and also women's empowerment. These reforms have also been made it possible for us to implement transformational changes in all facets of society and to pursue sustainable development goals. I would like to mention here that we have 14 lady judges. That is the highest number of lady judges in any high court in our country. I would only request Dr. Chandrachud to increase this by at least 20. We'll have 30% at least out of the 60 judges. Today I am pleased to note that our Chief Minister is continuing the noble tradition set by our former Chief Minister and his father Muthamizhariஞர் Dr. Kalaiñar, who was instrumental in modernizing the function of the courts in Tamil Nadu. Many of us here would recall that it was Dr. Kalaiñar who laid the foundation stone for Madurai bench of the Madras High Court in 2000. He had allotted 147 acres of land for the Madurai bench, which is one of the beautiful looking high courts in the country. It has at least 2/3 of its land area full of greens, and the flora and fauna there is one of the rare flora and fauna in the country, and it has peacocks roaming around in the entire High Court. I request the Honorable Chief Justice to visit the High Court and see this place and also stay in one of the bungalows for some time. I will suggest even to conduct your winter courts here in the Madurai bench. And year back from now, our Chief Minister allotted 4.7 crores for a land opposite to the principal seat of Madras High Court for the construction of a 9-story Sessions Court as building. On 23rd of April 2022, our Honorable Chief Minister fulfilled one of the demands of the legal fraternity by enhancing the death claim of the advocates' welfare from 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs and allotted 20 crores for welfare fund scheme. The government of Tamil Nadu approved the establishment of 7 commercial courts in budget in 2022 and allocated 1,461 crores for the judicial administration. For this unwavering commitment to infrastructure development, I wholeheartedly thank the Honorable Chief Minister, the Law Minister and the Finance Minister who are with us here today. I earnestly hope that continuous transformation of judicial infrastructure will enhance not only accessibility to the litigants but also impart technological advancement and modern amenities to the judicial officers and lawyers to elevate the quality of justice. The pandemic taught us how to use virtual conferencing, and it was undoubtedly made the institution more democratic. Our own High Court has continued to utilize video conferencing facilities every Friday so that one can now use e-conferencing facilities to appear before the High Court from any remote corner of the High Court, the state. I also like to congratulate Honorable Union Law Minister for his enormous contribution to the legal system and for joining us today to uphold the federal values inherent in the Indian Constitution. In the words of Thiruvalluvar, the great will be able to perform in the proper way deeds which are difficult. பெருமையுடையவர் ஆற்றுவார் ஆற்றின் அருமையுடைய செயல். It is indeed an honor for me to share this moment with you all. On behalf of the entire bar gathered here, I express my warm welcome to Honorable Justices Thiruvalargal B. Ramasubramaniam and M. Sundaresh, judges of the Supreme Court. I am also eagerly waiting to listen to their oratory in Tamil. I am overwhelmed with a sense of joy and hope that our efforts to strengthen judicial infrastructure will result in better access to justice. I truly hope that these positive initiatives and other cooperative efforts will continue so that our constitutional objectives are better realized. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful felicitation.
It's time for special address of the dignitaries. Honorable S. Raghupati, Minister for Law, Courts, Prisons and Prevention of Corruption, Government of Tamil Nadu, is an eminent and efficient legislator and has been providing assistance to the judiciary. I respectfully invite Honorable Minister S. Raghupati to kindly deliver the special address.
ஆரூர் சோழருடைய நீதி வெளிவந்திருக்கின்ற மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு முதலமைச்சருடைய நீதிநெறி தவறாத ஆட்சியிலே நீதிக்காக தன்னுயிரை ஈந்த பாண்டிய நெடுஞ்செழியன் மண்ணிலே இன்றைக்கு நீதிக்காக நடைபெறுகின்ற இந்த விழாவிற்கு வருகை தந்திருக்கின்ற இந்திய உச்ச நீதிமன்றத்தினுடைய நம்முடைய தலைமை நீதியரசர் மரியாதைக்குரிய ஜஸ்டிஸ் டி.ஒய். சந்திரசூட் அவர்களே, எங்களுடைய தலைவர் தமிழகத்தினுடைய முதலமைச்சர் அவர்களே, இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியிலே பங்கேற்பதற்காக தமிழகத்தினுடைய நீதித்துறையின் மீது என்றைக்குமே அக்கறை எடுத்துக் கொண்டிருக்கக்கூடிய ஒருவராக விளங்கிக் கொண்டிருக்கிற ஒன்றிய நீதித்துறையினுடைய அமைச்சர் நம்முடைய அன்புக்கும் போற்றுதலுக்கும் உரிய ஆனரபிள் திரு கிரண் ரிஜிஜு அவர்களே, நம்முடைய தமிழகத்திலே இருந்து உச்ச நீதிமன்றத்துடைய நீதியரசர்களாக இன்றைக்கு செயல்பட்டு நீதி வழங்கிக் கொண்டிருக்கக்கூடிய நீதியரசர்கள் ராமசுப்பிரமணியம் அவர்களே, ஜஸ்டிஸ் திரு M. சுந்தரேஸ்வர் அவர்களே, இங்கே தமிழகத்திலே நீதித்துறையிலே ஒரு புரட்சியை உருவாக்க வேண்டும் என்கின்ற எண்ணத்தோடு தன்னுடைய மண்ணுக்கு தான் சார்ந்திருக்கின்ற அந்த நீதித்துறையின் மூலமாக ஒரு நல்ல அரும்பணிகளை ஆற்ற வேண்டும் என்கின்ற எண்ணத்தோடு செயலாற்றிக் கொண்டிருக்கிற நம்முடைய தமிழகத்துடைய பொறுப்பு தலைமை நீதியரசர் மரியாதைக்குரிய ஜஸ்டிஸ் சி ராஜா அவர்களே, இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியிலே பங்கேற்று சிறப்பித்திருக்கின்ற நம்முடைய வணிக வரித்துறையினுடைய அமைச்சர் அன்புக்குரிய திரு மாண்புமிகு மூர்த்தி அவர்களே, இந்த நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு முத்தாய்ப்பாக அடிப்படை காரணமாக அமைந்திருக்கின்ற நம்முடைய மரியாதைக்குரிய மனிதவள மேம்பாடு நிதித்துறையினுடைய அமைச்சர் அன்புக்குரிய சகோதரர் மாண்புமிகு டாக்டர் பழனிவேல் தியாகராஜன் அவர்களே, இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியிலே நன்றியுரை ஆற்ற இருக்கிற நம்முடைய மதுரை உயர்நீதிமன்றத்தினுடைய பொறுப்பு நீதியரசர் மரியாதைக்குரிய திரு ஜஸ்டிஸ் ஆர் மகாதேவன் அவர்களே, இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியிலே பங்கேற்றிருக்கின்ற நம்முடைய மாண்புமிகு அமைச்சர் பெருமக்களே, மாண்புமிகு நீதி அரசர்களே, நம்முடைய பல்வேறு நீதிமன்றங்களுடைய நீதிபதிகளே, வழக்கறிஞர் நண்பர்களே, உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் முதலில் என்னுடைய நன்றியையும் வணக்கத்தையும் வாழ்த்துக்களையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றேன். While the honorable courts and judges are concerned with providing legal justice, the Dravidian model government headed by our Honorable Chief Minister Thalapathy Thiru M.K. Stalin is always concerned with providing and protecting social justice to the people of Tamil Nadu. Our Honorable Chief Minister is not only an engineer or pioneer in social justice, but also its protector and custodian on the path shown by our late leaders like நம்முடைய அவர் தந்தை பெரியார், பேரறிஞர் அண்ணா, தலைவர் கலைஞர். Emanated from the family of longest served Chief Justice of India, Honorable Justice Chandrachud's family, and practiced as an advocate, senior advocate in various areas of law, still continuing as an educationalist in the noble profession of teaching, served as a judge and the Chief Justice of High Courts, and finally, now the 50th, that is a golden number, Chief Justice of India, Honorable Dr. Justice T.Y. Chandrachud. Your judgments, particularly on the right to privacy, will be in the pages of judicial history. We are very glad to have you here, Lordship. The Honorable Minister for Law and Justice, Union of India, we are always like him, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, started his political journey from the state of Assam some 25 years back and continue as one of the most articulate and outspoken parliamentarian. On the other side, a bodybuilding sportsman widely known for his advocacy for sports and his strong support for environmental conservation. We are happy to have you here to grace this occasion, sir. While delivering the 19th Sri Gangaram oration during February 2023 on the topic, a perception for justice, quest for fairness and equality for health care, our Honorable Chief Justice of India, Honorable Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud said, several cases challenging National Medical Commission's decisions or cases relating to NEET have found their way to my bench at the Supreme Court. Often, courts cannot enter policy domain, and it is the duty of the state or union government to listen to the representations made by the students. However, whenever injustice is done, it becomes our bounden duty to intervene. The sheer amount of litigation of NEET cases is indicate of the hopes and aspirations of millions of students. It is proof that medicine is one of the most sought after professions in India. Yet the litigation is also symbolic of the need for reforms in medical education in India. The principles of justice underlie the practice of both law and medicine, and both the fields are concerned with fairness, equality, and well-being of communications and individuals. இது தமிழக மக்களுக்கு நீங்கள் தந்திருக்கின்ற நம்பிக்கையான வார்த்தைகள் என்பதை இந்த நேரத்திலே நாங்கள் மகிழ்ச்சியோடு தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு, இந்த மாநகர் மதுரையிலே இன்றைக்கு 166 கோடி ரூபாயிலே கட்டப்பட இருக்கிற மாவட்ட நீதிமன்றம் ஒரு மைல்கல்லாக அமையும். இங்கே நம்முடைய பேரறிஞர் பெருந்தகை அண்ணாவிற்கு பிறகு இங்கே வருகை தருகிற முதலமைச்சராக நம்முடைய மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு முதலமைச்சர் அவர்கள் இருக்கிறார்கள் என்பதையும் நாங்கள் பெருமையோடு சுட்டிக்காட்ட விரும்புகிறோம். அதைப்போல இந்திய உச்ச நீதிமன்றத்துடைய நீதியரசர், அதைப்போல உச்ச நீதிமன்றத்துடைய நீதியரசர்கள், அதைப்போல நம்முடைய தலைமை நீதியரசர், அதைப்போல இந்திய ஒன்றியத்தினுடைய நம்முடைய சட்டத்துறை அமைச்சர் அத்தனை பேரும் பங்கு கொள்கிற விழா நிகழ்ச்சி என்பது முத்தாய்ப்பான நிகழ்ச்சியாக மதுரை நீதிமன்ற வரலாற்றிலே மறக்க முடியாத ஒரு நிகழ்ச்சியாக அமையும் என்பதை சொல்லி வாய்ப்புக்கு நன்றி கூறி விடைபெற்றுக் கொள்கின்றேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, sir, for your enduring and informative special address.
Honorable Thiru Justice M.M. Sundaresh, Judge, Supreme Court of India, is well known for his humility and cordiality. His Lordship possesses all the fine tributes of a judge. His Lordship's proficiency, affinity and command over the Tamil language, culture and literature is well known to all. With all humbleness, I invite Honorable Thiru Justice M.M. Sundaresh, Judge, Supreme Court of India, to kindly deliver this special address.
In one of the morning tea, I asked the Honorable Chief Justice, Chief, did you receive the invite to participate in the function scheduled to be held at Madurai? I knew it was on this day, to be precise. He asked me, what do you say? He knew the answer. He expected it from me. I told him, Chief, you know the answer. An answer, I'm saying that you should settle be present there. It's always an honor for all of us. Thank you very much, Chief, for making your presence here. He is a flying minister. I used to wonder about Honorable Minister for Law as to how he manages his time. More often than not, he would sleep on his travel. In his busy schedule, he is present among us. Therefore, along with you, I also welcome him. Honorable Sri Kiran Rijiju. தமிழகத்தின் முதல்வர் திரு M.K. ஸ்டாலின் அவர்களே, என் அருமை சகோதரர், எல்லா வகையிலும் எனக்கு உறுதியாக இருப்பவர் நீதியரசர் திரு வி. ராமசுப்ரமணியம் அவர்களே, சென்னை உயர்நீதிமன்றத்தின் பொறுப்பு நீதிபதி டி. ராஜா அவர்களே, திரு ரகுபதி சட்டமைச்சர் அவர்களே, டாக்டர் பழனிவேல் தியாகராஜன் அவர்களே, என் அருமை நண்பர் நீதியரசர் மகாதேவன் அவர்களே, அமைச்சர் மூர்த்தி அவர்களே, எனது சகோதர நீதிபதிகளே, கீழமை நீதிமன்றங்கள் உட்பட வழக்கறிஞர் பெருமக்களே, பெரியோர்களே, தாய்மொழிகளே, a very good morning to all of you. This is indeed an historic occasion. There are two reasons. This is a place where utmost importance has been given to justice. I do not think in any other place in the world a lady could march and barge to the court of the king and seek justice. This is a place Kannagi got justice. Saint Ilango has put it beautifully. When Kannagi started her march with the material object, the jewel anklet in her hand, the entire public was disturbed, worrying about the consequence if the decision of the king goes wrong. The same situation continued even after she entered the palace. The palace guard was worried. When she entered the palace with full of tear and anger, the king trembled. When she spoke, the king died after hearing her words. He gave up his life. Thereafter, as what remained was merely bestial. The queen followed. The entire city suffered. Even the elements of nature trembled, including sun. I would only quote the description of Ilango. மெய்யில் பொடியும் விரித்த கருங்குழலும் கையில் தனிச்சிலம்பும் கண்ணீரும் வையக்கோன் கண்டனனே தோட்டனன் காரிகை தன் சொல் செவி உண்டனனே தோட்டனன் உயிர். That is the level of justice this place has witnessed. Therefore, it is befitting that the Honorable Chief Justice is here today. The second reason, district judiciary is the backbone of the justice dispensation. A view which is very often reiterated by the Honorable Chief Justice. He said, please do not call it as subordinate judiciary. It is district judiciary. If a person dispensing justice is a public servant, there can never be a difference between a civil judiciary division and the Chief Justice of India. This is not my word, it is his words. Therefore, this is a message once again to all of you, all of us, that there is no difference except with the hierarchy. It is like a family where the father's word will be respected, which does not mean that others are not important. I would conclude my speech by quoting the words of Mangudi Marudanar in Marudarikanchi. He says how justice should be dispensed with. What we are repeating today while taking oath has been spoken about him thousands of years ago. Achamum avalamum arvamum nikki செற்றமும் உவகையும் செய்யாது காத்து ஞமன் கோலன்ன செம்மத்தி ஆகி சிறந்ததன் கொள்கை அறம்புரி அரங்கம். Without fear or favor, ill will or affection, anger or happiness, dispense with justice,
by not merely upholding law alone. I wish and trust we will rededicate ourselves to the cause. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, Lordship, for the splendid and motivating special address. The message of your Lordship would be definitely followed by all concerned.
Honorable Thiru Justice V. Ramasubramanian, Judge, Supreme Court of India, is widely acclaimed for his scholarly trait, wit and humor, evincing the combination of passion for humanity and high legal technique. His Lordship's contribution to the Tamil language is well known and widely recognized, as we all are the beneficiaries of his speeches and writings. With all great respect, I invite Honorable Thiru Justice V. Ramasubramanian, Judge, Supreme Court of India, to kindly deliver the special address.
மாண்புமிகு இந்திய உச்ச நீதிமன்றத்தின் தலைமை நீதியரசர் டாக்டர் டி.ஒய். சந்திரசூட் அவர்களே, இந்திய நாட்டினுடைய சட்டம் மற்றும் நீதித்துறையினுடைய அமைச்சர் திரு கிரண் ரிஜிஜு அவர்களே, சென்னை உயர்நீதிமன்றத்தினுடைய பொறுப்பு தலைமை நீதிபதி திரு ராஜா அவர்களே, என்னுடைய சகோதரர் நீதியரசர் திரு சுந்தரேஷ் அவர்களே, தமிழக அமைச்சரவையில் இடம்பெற்றிருக்கிற பல அமைச்சர்களே, நான் ஒவ்வொருவர் பெயரையும் சொன்னால் எனக்கு கொடுத்திருக்கிற 3 நிமிடங்கள் எனக்கு போதாது என்கிற காரணத்தால் ஒட்டுமொத்தமாக உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் என்னுடைய முதற்கண் காலை வணக்கங்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். When Honorable Justice Sundaresh started speaking in English, my heartbeat almost went up, because normally he starts speaking in Tamil and switch over to English, paving the way for me to follow him. But today I do not know, probably the seat next, the chair next to which he is seated made him start the speech in English first. But many times I speak with a view to make people understand. Many times I speak with a view to make people not understand. Therefore, I would switch over to Tamil so that 2 important people on the dais do not understand what I say. இந்த மதுரை நகரம் 3 விஷயங்களுக்கு பெருமை வாய்ந்தது என்பது வரலாறு சொல்லுகிற உண்மை. முதல் விஷயம், empowerment of women. Honorable Chief Justice, I was telling the audience that this is a historical city which is famous for 3 things. Number 1, empowerment of women. I know, and all of you know, that empowerment of women is a subject extremely dear to the heart of the Honorable Chief Justice of India. Now let me tell you how this place is very important for the empowerment of women. It is here, normally, the transition of power flows from man to women. But this is the only place in the world where power is transferred from women to men. Goddess Meenakshi, whom you had darshan yesterday, is the ruling deity of this place. She rules this place every year for 4 months, 4 Tamil months commencing from Chitrai. April 14th is the Tamil New Year's Day. Chitrai, Vaikasi, Ani, Avani. All these 4 months, Goddess Meenakshi rules this place. Thereafter, she has international affairs to take care of. Therefore, she transfers power to her husband Sundareshwarar for the remaining 8 months. In fact, you should also know that the original name of Honorable Justice Sundaresh was Meenakshi Sundaresh. I do not know what happened. He cut it short into M.M. Sundaresh, which does not befit the place where we are now standing today. Therefore, I think he must get back to his original name. So the first thing that the city is famous for is empowerment of women. பெண்களை அதிகாரப்படுத்துவது என்பதற்கு இந்த நகரம் அடையாளமாக விளங்கிய நகரம். இரண்டாவது காரணம், இந்த நகரம் தமிழ் மொழியும் தமிழ் இலக்கியமும் இன்றைக்கு தவழ்ந்து விளையாடுவதற்கு காரணமாக இருந்த நகரம்.